This video, we are going to see the process of data entry for approved building permission. So first, the technical user needs to log in through his registered login ID. Click on Services Data Entry tab under Data Entry. Now, there are two types in services data entry. Type 1, where architect building permission proposal is approved but using Mahavastu portal for the first time. So, the architect fill all the necessary fields. First, select the process type as building permission, service name as building permission, architect name whichever is registered by you. Select the proposal if exists or enter the new data given below. After filling the proposal details, click on Save and Next. If the proposal already exists, then the proposal number, proposal code, and building permission application number will be seen on the form, and all the details whichever is entered is saved is seen below. After proposal details being saved, click on Next and fill the plot details. To view the client details, click on View button under Client Details tab and all the client details will be seen. Click on View under More Details and all the information filled by the user will be seen. After successfully filling the plot details, click on Next and fill the building details. You can check the box of plinth permission or part permission, whichever is applicable. If you want to add the floor details, check the box given in the form. After checking the box of floor details, fill the information about the floor name, floor height, floor use, etc. and all the fields which is required. If you want to add more details about the floor, click on plus button under the Action tab. All the details filled by the user is saved and shown in a tabular form. If multiple data is saved, then it is shown below each other. You can view the building and floor details by clicking on View under Floor Details. All the floor details can be seen when clicked on View button. There is an Edit button. If any changes are required, you can click on that Edit button. After clicking on Edit button, the form appears and you can do the necessary changes which is required. A Delete button under the Action tab appears. You can delete the data if any unwanted data exists and store a new one. Click on Next and fill all the payment details. Fill the payment details. Under payment details, select payment type as pre-approval, payment applicable yes, payment verified by, select from the drop-down menu, fill the date and fill the payment details. It includes payment mode, depositor name, attach the receipt and choose the date and click on Next. Pre-approval payment details has been submitted. Click on OK and submit the post-approval payment information required. Under payment details, select payment type as post-approval. Fill all the necessary details. Now fill the payment details and click on Next. After filling successfully the payment details, now fill the other details whatever is required. It includes exception details, relocation of reservation, relocation of road, proposed parking in existing structure, architectural projections and amenity area, and then click on Save and Next. After all the details being filled, now upload all the necessary documents. After uploading all the documents required, click on Submit button. After uploading all the documents, services data entry for building permission process gets completed. Now to print the form, click on Print option. Now we'll see how the authority authorizes the data entry done by the technical architect. Authority logins to the Mahavastu portal using their login credentials. After login to the portal, click on Services Data Entry under Administrator. Now the authority can only update the details if required. Now select the process type as building permission, service name as building permission, and select the architect name you want to authorize. Select the proposal which the authority need to authorize. Now authority check the proposal details. If any update required by the technical architect, then the authority can update it and then click on save and next. After proposal details, plot details can be updated by the authority if required. If any changes required to be done in the plot details, then authority can delete the details or view the details and then click on next. Authority can update the building details if required and then click on next. Now, if any updation required, then the authority can change the details, can update the details and then click on next. Now in the payment details, the authority checks the prepayment details of technical user. Now the authority checks the post-payment details of the technical user and then click on next. Now in the upload documents tab, the authority can only view the document. No changes, no update can be done here. After viewing the uploaded documents, authority verifies and write the remark and then click on final submit. Now type 2, where the proposal of building permission is already approved on Mahavastu portal. Your authority has already authorized the application. So the architect need to select the process type as building permission, service name as building permission, select the architect name and select do you want to refer to old proposal. If you select yes, then all the filled information will be displayed on the form. Select the preference proposal code and from the drop-down menu. If we click on the old proposal, then all the saved information appears on the screen. If we want to make any update in the information, we can update it and then click on save and next. If you want to update the plot details, then you can update it and then you click on save. Clicking on save, all the information is saved in a tabular format. After clicking on save and next, fill the building details. If required, you can edit the building details. If you have any plinth permission, then you can fill it with the building permission. And if you want to add the floor details, you can check the box and you can add the floor details given in the below tabular format. Now, verification details, you can only view the verification details and then click on next. Under payment details, you can view the pre-approval payment type details and post-approval payment type details and then you can click on next. If the architect want to fill the other details, that is, it includes exemption details, relocation of reservation, relocation of road, proposed parking in existing structure, architectural projections and amenity area. After filling all the information which is required, then click on save and next. Upload documents tab, the architect can only view the documents and then click on submit. After uploading all the documents, services data entry for building permission process gets completed. Now to print the form, click on print option. Thank you.